I am not an electrician, so what I do if I work with anything power like that, off. There we go. Yep, battery's good. Put that in there. And there we go. Yeah, that's a much sturdier wall unit to hang it up. So, there we go. And we have 2 ceiling fans that we got a little bit after Thanksgiving. A ceiling fan is gonna go right here. Gonna take that out. And a ceiling fan is gonna go right there. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. All right, what do I gotta do? Hoop, 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 hoop. I need that. Now, when it comes to replacing a fan, I've actually never done it before. You know, this just reminded me, just going to the garage just now reminded me of why I love my Ryobi products. Like, as you guys know, I have the power off right now. But yet, in my garage, I still have power. And that's because I have the OnePlus battery garage door opener to where I'm using an actual battery in there that's powering this, and have a little bit of light in here, so I'm not completely in the dark. But luckily I have the radio.
All you can do is watch the ... response bubble. Your local Geico agent.
You can save yourself from autocorrect, but you could save yourself hundreds with
There we go.
So what floor can I press?
Oh, you don't reach, do you? Yeah, you do. So, because I'm extremely smart, I have to take this all apart.
To this, Monday at work, relaxing favorites, you're on 93.9.
I'm not feeling this today. I think I broke the fan. Yeah, I messed the fan up. So what I'm gonna do, it's okay, man. I'm gonna take that out of this one and just finish up. All right, we are back on track. We are back on track, and I am now connecting the wires, and then hopefully it'll work. All right, so I got the fan up, but it does not want to work. All right, so I found out why the fan isn't working. This, remember I switched out the main body? I switched out the main body because that one's messed up. This is not the remote for that one. This remote is for the one that's sitting right there. So I have hope because I think I wired it right. So it's like it's a very simple wiring process. You know, it's not complicated. So the wiring has to be right. This just tells you that I'm crazy. All right, let's see. Let's see if this works. All right. Yes! One's done. I'm feeling better. The pills that I took earlier are kicking in. So my headache's sort of going away. And now I gotta go do the other one in the master bedrooms. I gotta turn the power off one more time to do the next one. All right, success. All right, now let's fix that because I know what happened. There we go. Alright, let's see what happens. See if everything works. Lights work. Yes, that is much better lighting than it was before with the other fan. Fantastic. Alright everyone, I wanted to show off this little guy really quick. I know. You like a boy? His name is Ash. He is 8 years old, turning 9 this year. He's still my little puppy. I know. That is my, yeah, stop it, puppy. That's my pride and joy. Yeah, we got garbage to take care of. Styrofoam back there, we gotta put this ladder back. This does look better. It's not nearly as clustered as it was, but it still needs attention. For those of you who managed to be able to watch the ending to this video to the end, I am done trying to communicate with Lease Fan 1231 for that raffle. So now I'm actually just gonna redo the raffle. I got it right here still. So what's the date for Friday? So January 18th, we are gonna redo the raffle. Installed 2 fans today. It took me a lot longer than I thought. I did not die. Luckily, I was not electrocuted. That's why I turn the power off to the entire house, because it's safer, because I'm not an electrician. So yes, this is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for watching my stupid videos. And so yes, I'll see you guys next time.